All right, gains, part three of your psychology. All right, so psychology is so important. It's probably the most important thing. Okay, psychology, understanding the market, understanding market structure, understanding price, understanding key levels. Okay, understand price likes to retest. It's always going to retest. It's always going to go up and then retest back down. Then before heading back up, it's always going to go down, retest back up, and go back down before heading back down. All right. So price will retest. Okay. It's so your psychology is so important. Boom. Okay. So price went up to where? Like another psychology, like this is so important, like your trend lines, right? Boom. Draw your trend line. Boom. Price on the let's go to the 5 minute. Boom. Right here. Boom. Boom. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, you can get once price breaks this trend line, boom, you can get in. Boom. From 70, 75, boom, to 70 to 70, 80. 70, 75, boom, basically to 70, 75, 70, 76, boom, 70, 75, around this area. Price breaks this area, boom, and goes to 70, 80, boom, all the way to 70, 70, 84. Take the profit. It won't always hit 78, 70, 85, okay? Take the profit though, okay? So let your trade play out, okay? Boom, it's just a retest, okay? Don't be scared and say, oh, I should get out the market because you see it retesting back down. No, let it hit the next key level, okay, which is 70, 80, 85, okay? You get out at 70, 84, 70, 83, 70, 82. Take what the market gives you. It's okay to take 700. It's okay to take 500, okay? Um, so have your key levels. Like your psychology is like the most important thing that you need to understand. Boom, like okay, boom, right here. Another break of another break of the trend line from here to here. Boom, it broke this trend line. It broke this trend line right here. It was just retesting. Boom. Once it breaks this trend line, and it breaks this trend line right here. Boom. Get in the trade. Boom. Okay. So like, there's so many things that you can that um can help you get in this market. Like once you understand your psychology and understand like once price breaks this trend line, RSI, moving average, and once you understand, like, okay, I'm trying to be consistent in this market over time, okay, then you can up the lot size, okay? So don't over risk your account. Risk management is important. Understanding risk management. Understanding you only have 200 in your account or 500 in your account, and you put $1 lot size, and it goes down 30 pips. um a dollar times 30 pips is or is 300. You just lost 300. You just lost almost 50% of your account. You have 500. So work on your risk management, lower the lot size. Okay, so do a $10 lot size, okay? Or 50 or 50 lot size, okay? Points or point 10 lot size. Don't do a standard lot size of $1, okay? If you only have 500. So risk management is important. You don't want to over leverage your account, over risk your account, okay? So it's so many things you can that can help you. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, when it's making higher highs and higher lows, boom, we're in an uptrend. Okay, when it's making lower lows and lower highs, we're in a downtrend. All right, so it's so many things. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, downtrend. Boom, broke the trend line. Now it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. All right, so it's so many things you can use. RSI, moving average, understanding candlestick formation, understanding when you see a green candlestick, long candlestick, Morbozo candlestick, a hammer, understanding candlestick formations, dojis, um, shooting stars. So it's so many things that can help you. Once you understand, uh, the candlestick formation, making higher highs and higher lows, lower lows and lower highs. You risk management. then you can up the lot size. So practice in the demo, okay? It's okay to, to take your time and build up consistency and, and learn how to become profitable before you just up the lot size, okay? And you wind up blowing your account because you haven't built up consistency. Okay, this doesn't matter if you have a $10,000 account. If you don't have consistency, in your trading plan and your psychology, then you will blow your account. Okay, so trust me, I blew a $2,000 account, $3,000 account. Okay, I blew a $5,000 account. I blew a $10,000 account. Okay, so if you don't have consistency, you can blow that. Okay, you can lose that money. You need to have a trading plan and consistency. Okay, before you just get in this trade. Okay, so whatever it may be, if you have 500, 1,000, 2,000, $2,000, $1,000, 2,000, you really want to have 2 to 3,000 to 5,000 if you're really trying to make money in this market. Okay, you can do it with 1,000, you can do it with 500, but you have to have consistency. You have to understand your lot size that you want to use, how much money you are willing to risk due to your lot size that you are taking. You have to understand all these things before you can just enter the market. Work on your entries, okay? Once it broke the trend line, boom, enter the trade. Once you see a higher low, you can enter the trade, okay? Once you see a retest, then you can enter the trade, all right? So work on your entries. Your entries is one of the most important things also, okay? So be mindful of your entries. Be mindful of your lot size, okay? Once you're comfortable with that lot size, then you can move the lot size up to another lot size. Once you're comfortable with that lot size, then you can move the lot size up to another lot size. Okay, so work on being persistent. Okay, and before you up the lot size and you blow your account. Okay, so it's okay to let your trade run. Okay, another strategy. Boom, draw your trend line. Boom, from here to here. Okay, or here to here. Price went to the past, went to 70.74, went all the way down here. Boom. So what is it going to do? It's going to go back up to 70.74, 70.75. Okay, so um know that, right? Know that it's going to go back up here to 75.75. Here's A. Right here, this is A. Boom. A. Boom. You have B right here. You have C right here. Boom. A, B, C. Look. Boom. Price went to from here, from A to B, boom, all the way to C. From A, boom, to B, all the way to C. Okay, before breaking C and going up to D. Okay, so it's so many things you can use to help you become comfortable in this trade. Okay, once you feel comfortable enough and you can up the lot size. Okay, you want a 1 to 3 reward ratio, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 reward ratio. Okay, so let your trade go all the way up here, right? Boom. Let your trade go all the way up here. It's okay to don't it's okay to let your trade go to 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Okay, let your trade play out and go to 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Okay, don't be scared and you just missed out on another 100 or 500 or 1,000 or 2,000 depending on your lot size, how much you're willing to risk. Okay, so let your trade play out. Okay, understand that price in the past went to all the way to C, then back to B, then all the way to A. What did it do? Went all the way from A back to B, all the way back to C. So there's so many things you can use. Breaking a trend line, boom, broke this trend line. Up here again, boom, breaking the trend line. Once it breaks the trend line, get back in. Key levels, okay? Moving average, RSI. So all these things, risk reward ratio, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So be mindful of all these things. Be patient, wait for price to retest, work on your skills, work on your trading skills, okay, until you become consistent. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, get in aggressively, boom, okay. So I hope these videos help. Psychology is the most important thing, all right? It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.